Coach, let's start with a recap of the match.
Well, there is no match. For me, this is not football match. We have to face one circumstance in the competition that is very, very hard. So the things that they have to play here in these conditions, this is not football game. It's another thing. So I always like to be positive. Positive thing is today we don't have any injury. Our opponent, they have one player with a serious injury in their knee because of these conditions. They don't put water in the plastic surface in purpose to try to create a match where the ball is not rolling, is bouncing, second actions, 50-50 balls, mistakes, continuous mistake, and this is very risky for the players. And we try to adapt, we play, we did our best. We could do better for sure, but we are not adapted to this game that is not football. So we took the lead, and then we conceded the equalizer. We tried till the end, we had our chances, and the best for us is that we don't have the injury, that we have one more point, and we are in the fight to try to qualify for the next round.
That is the next question. 4 points, two next games at home. There's a big possibility that Rijeka will play in the second round. We have a big advantage at home, and we have 2 matches at home.
Yeah, we are there. We are in the possibility, depending on us, to get the necessary points to go through the next round. So let's go step by step. We will face the next match with this aim to try to get the 3 points that put us in the table with 7 and closer to the target.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.